Hey guys, thanks for checking out Bright, Bold, and Beautiful Action Set. I know that you guys have been asking for this for a very long time, and I have finally gotten around to making the full action set for you. So let's hop right in. You've asked how to get the bright, bold, sharp, punchy signature look that I have with a lot of my, especially my outdoor images, my portraits, and commercial work. And so here it is. I'm going to start with the play all option, and then we can go through each individually. So here we go. You're just going to hit continue on these. These are part of the individual actions. It tells you what to do. And it's going to say reduce the opacity of that, give me more. And you might have to do that and you might not. It just depends on your image. But I just want to give you a quick before and after just by playing by the play all. Now, from here, here's an isolated brighten face. So you're just gonna with a white brush it on your subject's faces. For the look and sharp, depending on your preference, you can either leave it applied to the whole image, which is a nice sharp result, or you can hit Control or Command I to invert it and then paint it on your subject's faces, eyes, whatever you want. And you can also adjust the opacity depending on your image, your focus, and the overall look that you're going for. And other than that, that's it. That quick. Okay? So now I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go into the history, and I have to remove these so that we don't have any errors, because we're going to run them individually now. So defined and refined. And this gives it a nice sharp detail, but it also puts like a creamy adjustment over it. So it's a nice smooth but sharp refinement. Then look and sharp, we've done that. And again, this is Control I, and you can, depending on what you're going for, paint it on. You can leave it on the whole image if you like. Paint it on your subject's faces, the hair, the detail. Let's go to bright and bold. You can see that. Bold reds. Love. Let me go out so you can see the, it's, oh, I just love it. Beautiful blues. There's not any blues in this image, but it's a nice adjustment that pushes a little cyan into the blue, and it makes it just a little richer for skies and such. Gorgeous greens. We'll scroll up so you can see it. Hello Yellow, one of my faves. Bright face, that individual.
Hello.
So here we go. Let's get up there at 100%. Paint it on the face. Pop it. A little more pop. Oops. I ran the bright face again. Here's the pop it. Get a little more punch. And then finally, if you want more, you got it. And here you can just adjust the opacity of the entire group, depending on what you're looking for. Then you can also expand it and just pick the bold and pop over the bright, or vice versa. Whatever you're looking for, you can turn these on and off, and you can also adjust them. So I'm going to group these together again and show you the before and after of the bold, beautiful, bright, bold, beautiful action set. So I hope that you love it. I hope you share what you create with it, because you know that's my favorite part of teaching. And until next time, stay enchanted.